Exhaust gas is a hot and dirty environment, and over time, the contaminants in the gas can lead to the masking of your catalyst's active ingredients, the precious metals. These contaminants, such as ash, zinc, and phosphorus, cover up the catalyst and can severely impact performance. Instead of an early and costly catalyst replacement, MIRATECH can restore performance with a chemical wash and verify those results with MIRATECH's Multi-Lambda catalyst test system, all while providing exceptional customer service. Our wash facilities include state-of-the-art blowout and drying stations and a rigorous multi-step chemical wash process. We also have the capability at each facility to perform a pre- and post-test evaluation with our Multi-Lambda catalyst test system to give accurate information on the catalyst condition and effectiveness of the wash. And this whole process can be done in just 2 days. With more than 25 years of experience and thousands of washes, this is a proven and effective regeneration process. With locations in Tulsa, Oklahoma, Knoxville, Tennessee, and at our authorized dealer locations in Texas, Wyoming, and Pennsylvania, we make it easy and convenient to get your elements clean and back in action. For our European customers, we recently opened the first chemical wash facility in Europe at Sonic in Germany. Contact MIRATECH today to schedule your catalyst wash and test.